Good evening friend. Today I am going to explain the radius radio of the tetrahedral void. Okay, that is the radius radio in the trigonal void already we have discussed. Now today this is the very important to understand. Few students do not able to calculate the radius ratio. So what they do, they memorize that. Now what today we are going to do, we are going to discuss the radius ratio and how to calculate that derivation we are going to follow step by steps. Okay, so already I solve on the board, and let us see. I am explaining on the board. So firstly, that is the, you try to understand what is tetrahedral void. Okay, so tetrahedral void is what? That is trigonal void. This is the untrigonal void. This is the trigonal void, means the void between the three atoms. Now what you are saying, that is when you are putting one more atom in the tetrahedral void, or that is in the trigonal void, so tetrahedral void will form. In another word, that is the void present between the four atoms. Okay, between the four atoms, that is also known as tetrahedral void. So what I am going, three atoms are in the plane, and on that atom we are putting one more, and whatever the void is resulting, that is known as what? Tetrahedral void. Now how we are representing this on the cubic structure, okay, in the unit cell. So on the each atoms there is a on each corner there is a atoms here, but what I am going to do here is the face diagonal is there, AC, which I represented, and AD is there, that is body diagonal. Body diagonal means that entering from the body of the unit cell, and face means that is entering for the one corner to another diagonally. So this is the top one is the face diagonal, and this one is the body diagonal. So what we have to do, where is the void is there, here the four atoms are there, this is the 1 2 3 4, and between the atoms here is the void is representing on the AD axis. Here is there the void. Now what we are going to do, if you are excluding this, so you include this D1. So we are going to frame this. Let us see how can we do. We will go by step to understand. First of all, AC, you calculate AC. So if you are calculating AC, so this one is the edge length A, and this one is edge length A, and this is the 90 degree. So apply AC equal to what? That is the AC is equal to Pythagoras theorem, AB square plus BC square. AC equal to what? AB square plus BC square, and AB square is what? This we can say that is the, here is also A and A. So this is the A square plus A square. So AC is equal to 2A square, and AC square will go this side, so it will come root 2A. Okay, and if you are taking A, so AC upon root 2A, and AC is what? This is the face diagonal. Now I am representing with a different way. See, A is having one atom, and that is C is having one atom, and they are diagonally touching each other. Means AC equal to how many are? 2R. So at the place of I am putting AC, I am putting the 2R upon root 2. And then we are rationalizing, multiplying by root 2 up and down. So we are getting A is equal to root 2R. This is the equation number first. Now you go in the triangle ABC. And in this triangle, when you are going in this triangle, that is the same, you are applying the Pythagoras theorem. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC equal to already, and AC equal to A square plus A square, that is root 2A. This will come root 2A. AC square means root 2, AC equal to root 2A will come. According to Pythagoras theorem, nothing we have done. AC is the face diagonal. Now you see in the triangle ADC. Now AB line we are leaving out. So if you are going ADC, AD square, this will become the body diagonal. So firstly we have said we have taken face diagonal, now we are taking the body diagonal. Keep in mind, to calculate the radius ratio, we firstly consider the face diagonal, then we are considering the body diagonal. So AD square is equal to AC square plus DC square. So AC square we have already calculated here, root 2A. So root 2A square plus A square, so it will give root, that is root will be square and root will be cancelled out, so 3A square. So AD is equal to root 3A. This is the equation number third. Now what we are going to do, we are going to see from the top and then find out that is how it is looking like. So if you are watching from the top, so why we are watching from the top? To get the radius of small r. So if you are watching from the top, this is the 4 are there, 4 sphere, and in this 4 sphere one the void is there. And what for void we are considering, that is small r plus small r, and for capital we are taking that is capital R, capital R. So AD, if you are considering AD, so in AD body diagonal, what is there? 4R. AD means 4R are there. 4R means 2 capital R, 2 small r. So how I am writing here, 2 capital R, 2 small r equal to AD. Already we calculated equation number 3, root 3a. So A equal to 2 capital R plus small r divided by root 3. From equation 1, A value we have already got here, root 2a. So what I am doing at the place of A, root 2a is equal to, and second one is, this is as it is, 2 in bracket capital R plus small r root 3. So if simply I root 2, you can put it here out, so that I am rationalizing, this 2 will be cancelled out. On rationalizing, what you will get, this 2 and this 2 will be cancelled out, here will be the root 2 will left. So root 3r equal to root 2 capital R plus small r. Now what we are doing here, we are putting the similar terms similar side. So here r will go this side, so capital R upon small r upon capital R, and root 3 by root 2. So capital R upon small r, after taking LCM, this is cancelled out, so it will give 1, and small r plus capital R. So root 3 value 1.732 and root 2 value 1.414. So 1 plus small r plus capital R equal to 1.732 upon 1.414. So small r upon capital R equal to 1.732 upon 1.414 minus 1, and small r upon capital R equal to, after the calculating this, you will get 0.225. So radius ratio of the void, radius ratio of void to sphere is 0.225. Is r small r equal to 0.225 capital R. So this is, I hope this video lecture will be helpful to you to understand. At least you will be little bit 5-10% you understand from here, so that you read out the book, so that you will be able to understand completely. Thank you so much for watching, friends.